Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing swatches on the Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Ended Eyeliners, and this is a trio pack, which means 3 comes in pack. So I'm just going to go ahead and take these out so I can show you what we have. And here they are. Now these are dual ended, so on one end is the kohl eyeliner, which are the colored ends, and the other end is just a black liquid eyeliner, and all of the liquid ends are black. The colors came in teal, brown, and black. So I'm opening the teal first, and I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. And from the footage, you'll be able to tell that these are some pretty big pens. Here, I'm just showing you the pen and what it looks like. As you can see, it has a teal strip on the kohl side. And it's labeled as well on both sides. Okay, the first thing I noticed was how thick the kohl liner was. And the second thing I noticed was how creamy it was, not to mention how easily it glided across my skin. Now the other side is different. The liquid liner has a thin tip, as you can see. And you'll see me do 2 swatches because the first one I did it too thick and you couldn't see it. So here's the second one. Next is the brown kohl, and as you can see, it's the exact same thickness as the other one. It also glides on the same way, it's just brown. Here I'm just showing you the black eyeliner is the same as the first one. I'm not going to swatch it though. Last one is the black kohl. Same thickness and easy glide. And I'm going to go ahead and show the liquid liner as well. And guys, yes, that is the Laura Geller Line and Define trio pack. But when you go onto the website, you'll only be able to purchase one at a time, and they are $24 a piece. And guys, I also did a small review, so I went ahead and used the eyeliner so you can see how well they work, and I absolutely love them. I had no problem at all. See how good the wing looks? Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that red button. Until next time, bye.